You start your car and notice a dashboard light, a headlight with arrows. That's your adaptive headlight warning. Don't ignore it. This light means a key safety feature isn't working, and your car could even fail inspection. Adaptive headlights are smarter than regular ones. They turn with your steering and adjust up or down to help you see better and avoid blinding others. When the warning comes on, the system has shut down. Your headlights still work, but they won't adapt. Common causes? Weak battery, dirty sensors, or a system glitch. Sometimes it's a bad motor or wiring. We'll walk through simple checks first. No need to rush to the dealership. Start with the basics, battery and sensors. If those are fine, we'll try a reset and then use a scanner if needed. The goal? Fix it yourself and save money. Ready to get that warning light off? Let's dive in. Don't worry, these steps are simple, and you can do them. Let's get started. First, check your car's battery. Adaptive headlights need steady power. An old or weak battery can trigger the warning. Use a multimeter. With the car off, a healthy battery should read about 12.6 volts. If it's 12.2 or less, charge or replace it. Next, inspect the sensors, usually on the front and rear suspension arms. Dirt or grime can block them. Clean them gently with brake or electronic cleaner and a soft brush. Make sure the sensor arms move freely. Do this for both front and rear sensors if your car has them. These quick checks often solve the problem. If the light's still on, let's try a simple reset. Sometimes, when you see that adaptive headlight warning light pop up, a simple reset can save you a trip to the shop. Here's how to do it step by step. First, get in the driver's seat and make sure all doors are closed. Insert your key and turn it to the on position. Don't start the engine, just power up the electronics. Now, slowly turn the steering wheel all the way to the left and hold it there for a few seconds. Next, turn the wheel all the way to the right and hold again. Then carefully center the wheel. Turn the key off, remove it, and wait at least 30 seconds to let the system reset. After waiting, start the car and check your dashboard. If the warning light is gone, you fixed it. If not, don't worry. Just move on to the next step. This trick is quick, free, and often clears up minor glitches. If the warning light's still on, it's time for an OBD scanner. Use an advanced scanner that can read the headlight control module, not just engine codes. Plug it into the OBD2 port under your dash, turn the key to on. Navigate to the Adaptive Headlight or AFS LCM module. Scan for codes. These tell you exactly what's wrong, like a bad motor or sensor. Write down the codes and search online with your car's make and model for solutions. Don't just clear codes. Find out what they mean first. This step pinpoints the real issue and saves guesswork. After replacing a sensor or headlight part, recalibration is often needed. This tells the system there's a new component and resets everything. Recalibration is also needed after suspension work or wheel alignment. Use your advanced OBD scanner's special functions. Look for headlight initialization or AFS calibration. Follow the prompts. The car will move the headlights and set new limits. Once done, clear any codes and the warning light should disappear. Recalibration ensures your adaptive headlights work perfectly. If you've tried everything and the light's still on, it may be time for a pro. Internal headlight faults, major wiring damage, or a failed control module are best left to experts. Modern headlights are complex. Opening them can cause more issues. Wiring repairs need proper tools for a safe, lasting fix. Replacing the control module often requires dealer-level programming. For these big problems, save yourself the headache and visit a trusted shop.